Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, children, we are learning multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. So, we will multiply the numerators and we will multiply the denominators. But if you are, we can use another method, that is cutting method. We will see the numerator and denominator, which are the common factors. We can use division, the cutting method. Okay. So we have completed, children, question number 15. Yes. Now we'll start with question number 16. 16, page number 45. Page number 45. So children, please take out page number 45.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 15th BCD answers. Can you say?
We will
It was homework.
the answers. Okay. So question number 15. A we have completed in the class. What's that answer? 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Question number 15A. 2 by 7. Now question number 15B. Who can tell me the answer? 15B.
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Children, please check your answers. Question number B, C, D was homework. 15. So question number 15B, the answer is 1 by 3. Check whether you got the answers. Question number C. Who can say the answer? Question number C.
24 by 125.
24 divided by 125. 24 divided by 125. Question number D.
10.
10. Okay. I hope I think I have sent the notes. C 24 by 24 by 125. Okay, I will write it on the board. You can see question number. See, this was answers of.
Ma'am, you have sent these notes in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I have sent. 15 A we have done in the class. B was homework. So please.
2 by 7.
1 by 3. Now
2 by 7.
I saw, ma'am, in the notes I saw they are using the method into and then getting to the lowest term. Ma'am, but I wrote in my workbook in the cutting method.
Any method, we will get the same answer. Cutting method also, but here we will write till the numbers we had to do till lowest form. So this is question number 15. B, C, D, that homework answers. You can check. Okay. Now we will start with question number 16. Manu, can you read question number 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 16. Yes.
Find the products of A 35 divided by 10 into 21. 9 by 21.
9 by 21. Okay. So children, will start question number 16A. Here, question number 16A. Children, what's the page number? Page number 45. You can use any method. Don't get confusion here. I told you in the last class and all. 2-3 methods I was showing you how to. But we will find the last answer in the lowest form. That you have to check whether it is in the lowest form. So here, Anandesh, can you tell me 2 methods? 2 methods means cutting method. Which all common factors you can take? Which all numbers?
Ma'am.
We can take factors from which all numbers?
Ma'am, factors of which numbers? 35.
You have to, you can tell me which all numbers have here common factors. 35 and 21 or 35, 10 like that. Any, which one you are?
No one has common factors. No one has, yes ma'am, 7. 35 by 21, 7.
Or what about 35 and 10?
35 and 10, yes ma'am.
Yes. So I'm children here. We can do any 35. Wait, Angela, I'm speaking. 35 or 10. You can choose that also first. First, if you want to divide by 5, 35 and 10. Or if you want to divide 7, you can take the cross 35 and 21. Okay. Yes, Abhimanyu.
in Malayalam. Ma'am, someone is talking in Malayalam.
Better
Ma'am,
we
will you do the multiplication method also?
multiplication method also we can do. But which one is simple? We can do that. Here cutting is okay. Here 35 and 21. Yes, Richard, can you please unmute and help me? 35 divided by 7.
35 divided by 7 is equal to 5, ma'am.
5. So here we will write here 5. And here it is
3.
3. Okay. Now again we can see 9 and 3. They have common. 5
Yes.
and 10. They also have common. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Richard, tell me. 5 and 10.
Five
Divide
and-
5 and 10. I'm using
5
different
divided by 10
colors.
is 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2.
Here it is 2. Here, what about 9 and 3?
3.
3 3s are 9. Here it is 1. So the final which is remaining here 1 into 3. What is 1 into 3?
3.
3. And 2 into 1?
2.
2. Okay, children. Now you have to make this into mixed fraction. 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2 this much time. 1 2s are 2. 1. So 1 and 1 by 2.
2.
1 and 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 and 1 by 2. So this is very easy. 3 divided by 2, you know that is 1 and a half. 1 and a half, that is how we can write 1 and 1 by 2. So I will write another one with the common factors 35 divided by 10. Those who want to do multiplication method, they can multiply 35 into 9. Also, they can do 10 into 21. 10 into 21 is easy, 2, 1, 0. So only thing they can multiply 35 into 9. Then divide and find out, check whether you got 3 by 2. So here first we have done, which one? Divide by 7. Here I am going to start with the 5. 7. 7 into 5, 2.
And 9 and 21 is by 3.
So here 7 again, we can take here 3.
And 3.
3 again
9
here.
9 21s are
3 by
factors
2.
of
Okay.
3.
Here also we can do any method. If you choose 5, the common factor in the first time, if you are cutting by 5, then also children you will get the same answer. 1 and 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2. So first we can take 35 by 10, 9 by 21. If you divide by 7, you will cut by 7 by 35 and 21. Then again you can divide by 5. So I hope this is clear. Question number B also you can do now. Question number B. Children. Yes, Agni. Finished? Yes. What about Ayman?
Ma'am, can you show the multiplication method
I
also?
told you 35 into 9 and tell me. Multiply 35
Ma'am,
into 9.
35 into 9, 315.
350. 350 divided by 210. What you will get? 350 divided by 210.
Ma'am,
Cut the
350.
0. 350 divided by 210. Any method, this is going to be the same. So cut, you can cut here again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 35 and 21. Again, divide by 7. Here 5. 5 into 7.
And there 3 into 7.
Divide 5 by 3 and find out.
5. 3 by 2. Okay, ma'am.
What do you say?
Okay, ma'am.
5. Here 35 into 9.
And 350 is wrong.
We will check again. 35 into 9. 315. It was 315. I wrote.
Ma'am, I told you 315.
Okay, 315. So when you do like this only, you'll get 210. You can divide by, again, if better, you can cut here. You can cut by 5. What you'll get?
63.
42. Again, divide by 3. Again, you are using the cutting method. Yes? So
Yes,
better
ma'am.
you can do in the beginning. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
315. Okay, 315. When you do again, you want to divide. So we will use cutting method. Yes, Gautam?
B.
Huh?
Finished at B.
Do question number B now, all of you. Yes, start question number B. Yes?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Huh?
I finished question number B.
B. Okay. If you finish B, start C, then D.
Ma'am, can I tell
We
the
will
answer?
discuss the answer. Wait, Angelina. Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, 15th C is 24 by 125, right?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have sent the notes in the WhatsApp also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
16B. Okay. 16B.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Let me see. All are, some are writing now. 16th question B. 44 by 22.
44 by 22
44
into,
divided by 22.
into 21 by 20.
21 by 27. 21 by 27. Okay, Angelina, which one you are going to start with?
Ma'am, 21 and 27.
21 and
27.
divide by which number?
3.
3. Okay, then
Se-
21 by 3?
7.
7. Okay, here
9.
9. Here it is 9, here it is 7. Okay, then
Yes, ma'am. Then 44 by 22.
44 and 22.
By 2.
2. 22 into 2, how much? 44. So directly you can multiply, divide by 22.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here 44, when you divide by 22, you'll get here 2. Here it is 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So find out the answer. 7 2s are
14 and
by
14 by
9.
9.
14 by 9. Now divide and make it into mixed fraction. 1
5
and
by 9.
5 by 9.
1 and
1
5 by
5 by
9.
9.
Okay.
Ma'am, when you start for 44 and 22, it is also same.
Yeah, it will be same only.
Same
If you
method.
start divide by 2, you will get 22. Here down you will get 11. 11 again you can divide in the 22 2 times. But if you use highest common factor, no, it will be easy. The number of cutting, that it will be less if you can use by highest common factor. Okay, so here 14 by 9. So when you do divide, you will get the answer in the mixed fraction. Okay, children, continue question number C. Don't say the answers louder. Let all of you do alone. Let every child,
Ma'am,
let all the children do alone.
I can tell the answer.
Wait. Now here 55 divided by 8
8
into 55 by
55
11.
by 11. 55 by
Here 55 and 55 we cannot cut because they are not one denominator and numerator. You cannot cut 55 into 55. Yes? Okay. Okay. Adil, can you tell me, Adil, by which number we can start with cutting? Yes, Adil.
1.
Yes, Adil.
Now we can start.
We can start with
55 and 11.
very good. 55 and 11. Okay. Tell me how many times 11 in 55? 5 times. Yes, 5.
5 times.
Okay.
And
Now is
11
it possible to divide by any number? Hmm?
Ma'am, 55.
No, ma'am.
No. Now you have to multiply 55 into 5. Write the answer here.
275.
Then 8 into 1 divided by 8.
275.
8.
Multiply
And it will
55
become-
into 5.
275.
Ma'am, 275. 275.
Two. Wait, Angelina.
Ma'am, we can turn them to.
Ma'am, can I tell?
What happened here?
Ma'am, in this question number C, no?
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, we have 55 by 8 and 55 by 11.
Hmm.
So first we did 55 by 11 as cross. And after that, why can't we do again has 55 by 11 straight?
11 already is cut. Then how you can take again? You cut 11 by
Excuse me,
55
ma'am.
one time. So 11 is how we cut. Then only we got 55 became 5. So 11 became 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
When you divide by 11, 11 divided by 11 is 1. So
Excuse
again
me,
you
ma'am.
cannot cut. Yes,
Okay,
Gautam.
ma'am. The same if we get the same answer, we don't need to cut again, right?
No need to cut again. Yes, Gautam.
When we start from 55 by 11, so we cut and 55 become 5 and 11 become 1.
Yes.
55 and 5 we can do, right? So it will
55 into 5. We cannot
No,
cut. You have to multiply. They are the numerators. You can cut only one numerator and one denominator. Two denominators can you cut? Two numerators. I told you like this, no cutting. One up, one below should be that. One numerator, one denominator.
So we can cut denominator and denominator.
What is there common? Yes, Anadesh, did you ask me something?
No, ma'am, I asked if when we are doing multiplication, we can we do 55 into 55?
Yes, 55 into 55 we can do. So children, we will check again that question. C.
See, 55 by 8
1 minute.
5 by
1
11.
minute, please. So here, question number C.
55 by 8 into 55 by 11.
55. Children, first of all, look here. We cannot cut like this. Okay, that is not possible. That is wrong. One number, if 55 divided by 55, we can take like this 55 and 55. Okay, but one number should be on the top, one number should be down. Then only we can cut. Otherwise, it is not possible. Understood? So here, all the children, please listen again. Okay, question number C. This is page number 45. Those who joined late, page number 45, question number 16, C. 55 divided by 8 into 55 divided by 11. Children, here we have only one. Either you can do like this. All the children, please pay attention. Either you can cut like this. Okay. So here it will be 5. Here it will be 1. Again, how can you take 11 and 55 again? It is already cut and it became 1. Or what you can do? You can make 55 divided by 8 into 55 divided by 11. You can cut how? You can cut cross. You can cut here. 1 minute. Here you can use another color. Here you can cut 11. You can cut. Then here it is 5. Here it is 1. Okay. Both way. Here 5. Here into 55 into 5. Here also 5 into 55. That you have to do. Here there is no 8. There is no common factors between 55 into 5. Okay, children. Is that clear? Here you can do 55 and 55 one time. Otherwise, you can do 11 and 55 like this. But only one time you can cut. Because here when you cut, it becomes 5. Here it becomes 1. Okay, here also if you do cross here if you cut, here it becomes 5, here it becomes 1. Okay. So I hope it's clear. So what children you were discussing, this is 255 into 5. The answer is 275 divided by 8. Find out the answer in the mixed fraction. All of you. Divide 275 by 8 and find out the answer in the mixed fraction. Yes, Isha?
Can I tell the answer? The mixed fraction of
275 divided by 8. Can you tell me the answer? Can we do together? 275 divided by 8. Okay. 8 times how many we can take from 27? 8 into
3.
3. 8 3s are 24. Subtract here 3. Bring down 5.
5.
8 times 4 is 32. The remainder is here 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So here children you will get 34 and what's the remainder here? 3. What is the divisor?
8.
8. So 34 and 3 by 8. This is the answer. 34 and 3 by 8. So children here 55 into 5. I told you here we can take one number on the top, one number below, or you can take 55 and 11 cross, but no problem. But you have to multiply 55 into 5 and you will get the answer is 275 divided by 8. The answer is 34 and 3 by 8. Did you all of you got the answer? Is that clear? Okay. Now question number D. Children, do you try to do alone? All of you try to do alone. Question number D. 16th question number D. 17 divided by 7 into 14 by 8. Yes, Chinmay. Which numbers we can divide?
7 and 14.
Huh?
7 and 14.
7 and 14. So you are starting with 7. Some children, they want to start with the 14 and 8. Okay, that also you can do. 14 and 8 also you can do. Here, okay, Chinmay want to cut 7 and 14. Yes. 2 into 7 is 14. 1 into 7. Okay, then is there any more numbers?
2 and
Yes.
8.
2 and
2
8.
and 8.
Okay. So here I will cut 8. So you'll get 4. Don't forget to cut this number also. Here it is 1. So children, some children, they will cut on one side, the other side they will forget. Then your answer will be wrong. So what is remaining here? 17 into 1. That will be 17. 1 into 4. 4. Find out the mixed fraction. Otherwise, I will do another cutting here.
81 by
17 divided
81
by
by
7,
2.
14 by 8. So Chinmay started with 7 and 14. So if I am starting here first by 2, 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Here when I cut again, I can cut 7 and 7. Any method, if you do, you will get the answer as 17 divided by 4. Okay. Harsha, can you tell me the answer in mixed fraction, Harsha? 17 by 4.
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
This you can do in the mind. 4, 4. Yes, Fia? Finished?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I got the answer as 6 1 by 4.
6 into 4 is 24. But here we have only 17. 17 by 4. When I am checking, 4 4s are 16.
4 1 by 4.
4 and yes, Adil has something to say. Yes, Adil.
4 1 by 4.
Yes, very good. Children, like this, if you cut 4, 17, 4 4s are 16. So 16 and 17, what is remaining? 1 by 4. So in the mind itself, without division, you can do that much easy. 4 and 1 by 4. 4 and 1 by 4. I hope you have finished. So those children have doubt what they will do 17 divided by 4. You will check in the multiplication table of 4. 4 into 4, 16. What is remaining? 1. 4 can be written as the whole number. 1 is the remainder. And this 4 is the denominator here. 4 and 1 by 4. Finished? Yes, Alok, can you read the next question, Alok? Question number 17. We'll start with word problems.
Man Singh had 1 by 2 of a large pizza. He gave 2 by 5 of his share to his sister. How much of the whole pizza did Man Singh's sister get?
Okay. So how much Man Singh had? 1 by 2 of a large pizza. 1 by 2 means half. Big pizza, large pizza. He is having half. From that half, he is giving how much? 2 by 5. So what we had to do? 2 by 5 of 1 by 2, you had to find out. Okay. 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. Because Man Singh has big pizza, that half pizza. He has 1 by 2 pizza with him. From that 1 by 2, he is giving 2 by 5 to his sister. Understood? So you have to find out 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. We will write together, then you will understand. Okay, so what Man Singh had how much? 1 by 2. So we can write question number 17. Fraction of pizza Man Singh had. Fraction of pizza Man Singh had. Okay, fraction of pizza Man Singh had. How much? 1 by 2. 2 by 5 of this half he is giving to his sister. So what we can write? Part of the pizza he had given to his sister. Part of the pizza. Part of the pizza. He gave to his sister. He gave to his sister. Two by 5 of 1 by 2. He is not giving 2 by 5. He is giving 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. So, Daniel, can you tell me what we have to do here if we want to write 2 by 5 of 1 by 2? Instead of what we has to write? Yes, Daniel, can you hear me? Can you say? Not, you cannot say? Yes, John. Instead of what we have to write? Can you unmute? Yes, Anandesh. Check whether you can unmute.
Ma'am, we should divide or divide, right?
Instead of what we will write?
Multiply.
Multiply, yes. We used to write 2 by 5 of 3. How we will do 2 by 5 into 3? Like the same. Instead of, children, you have to write into, or that is multiply. Of, we used to write instead of, we will write 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. Now you can do as usual. 2 and 2 can be, you can cross out 2 and 2. So what will be remaining? Yes, Manu. When you cross out 2 and 2, what is remaining here?
Ma'am, 2 and 2, 5 and 1.
5 and 1. So 1 by 5. Only 1 by 5 is remaining. Yes? Because
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will cross out these 2 and these 2. So what is remaining here, children? 1 and 5.
5.
So the answer is 1 by
Yes,
5.
5.
Here, only thing you had to remember, fraction of pizza Mansingh had is 1 by 2. He is not giving 2 by 5. He is giving 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. Because he has how much? 1 by 2. So look at the question again. He gave 2 by 5 of his share. So his share is 1 by 2. So 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. So instead of, children, you can write it as multiply. So what is remaining here? 1 by 5. So you can write, so Mansingh gave, so Mansingh gave 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of the whole pizza. Finished? Yes, children. Yes, Gautam, can you read the next question?
During a picnic, Tina's team received 2 by 7 of the total food. The food was further divided among the team members and Tina received 2 by 9 of her team's share. What fraction of the total did Tina get?
Okay. During a picnic, Tina's team received 2 by 7 of the total food. Okay. So the food was further divided among the team members and Tina received 2 by 9
2 by
of
9.
her team's
share.
share. So first what we'll write? Fraction of the food Tina's team received.
Tina's team
So
received
how much?
2
Tina's team 2 by 7.
7.
So we will write 1 by 1 step. Question number 18.
Number 45.
Okay. Fraction of the food. Fraction of the food
Tina's team received it.
that Tina's team received. That Tina's team received. How much? That is 2
by
by
7.
7. Next one.
Fraction of the food that
Now, the food was further divided among the team members and Tina received. So, 2 by 7, Tina's team together got. Now, from that 2 by 7,
Tina
that
will
food is
receive
divided
2 by
again. So, Tina
and
got
2
how much?
2
2 by
by
9
9.
of
2 by 9 of
2 by 9 of
team's share.
team's share is 2 by 7. So, 2 by 9 of 2 by 7. So, we can write fraction of food. Fraction of food that Tina received. Received. So what is that? 2 by 9
2
of
by 9 of 2 by 7.
2 by 9 of 2 by 7.
2 by 7.
So find out again 2 by 9 of, instead of what we can write?
Multiply.
Multiply. So instead of here we can write, okay. Instead of this of, we can write 2 by 9 into 2 by 7. So children, here there is no common factors. 2 into 2
So we
is
can
on the
multiply.
top.
So
4
we
by,
can multiply.
you have to multiply. 4 by 9 into 7.
4 by 63.
What's the answer? 4 by
63.
63. Yes. Richard, what you got? Answer? Richard? Is there any common factors to divide?
Ma'am?
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
2 by 9 into 2 by 7. Is there any common factors to divide?
No.
No. So what's the answer? 2 into 2?
4.
4 by 9 into 7.
63.
63. So the answer is 4 by 63.
Ma'am, we can't turn into mixed fraction because it's a proper fraction.
This is a proper fraction.
So we need.
So we had to write, therefore, Tina received 4 by 63 part of the total food. Okay. So here what is given? Fraction of the food that Tina's team received. All the team is receiving the
2 by
fraction.
7.
Here, Tina's team received 2 by 7. From that team, she's getting only 2 by 9,
2 by 9
of
of
2 by 7.
team share.
So instead of you can write multiply. So the answer is 4
4
by
by 63.
3. So we can write therefore, or we can write so. Therefore, Tina received 4 by 63 part of the total food. 4 by 63 part of the food. You can write total food. Therefore, Tina received 4 by 63 part of the total
food.
Finished, children?
Ma'am, can you share?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am,
Not
can you
finished.
share the screen? I don't.
The last is 4 by 63.
Therefore, Tina received 4 by 63 part
4
of
by
the
63.
total food.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Finished. So children, those who are not finished, please check the before what we started with. Fraction of the food that Tina's team received, that is 2 by 7. Fraction of food that Tina received. This her team received 2 by 7. Again, it is divided among the team members.
Team members.
So
Tina
she's getting
get
2 by 9
2
of
by 9 of 2 by 7.
So 2 by 9 into 2 by 7, you'll get 4 by 63. Therefore, Tina received 4 by 63
4
part
by
of the
63
total.
part of the total food.
So children, now next one is, I think we cannot complete question number 19. So can you do quickly question number 21A? There is no step for that. Multiply 4 by 8, 8 by 9, 9 by 8. Question number 21A.
So
What you have to do? You have to multiply 3 numbers. You have to multiply 3 numbers. Yes,
Ma'am,
Agni.
first,
And how we will do that? Like,
first we should multiply 2
Okay, we will do.
numbers
We will do together.
and we
Question
should
number.
multiply
Yes.
the answer.
We will do together. 21. multiply 21 8.
4 by
Multiply
8.
4 by 8
8 by 9. And
and 8 by 9.
9 by 8.
Again 9 by 8. Now easy for you to cut. Some numbers are there.
Yeah.
Very easy.
So 8 8. And 9.
8 and 8, 9 and 9. Children, please check.
Ma'am, this is easy.
You can cross out
Get the
9
answer.
and 9. 9 and 9 and 9 can be
9.
cut. 8 and 8. Is there anything
8
remaining?
and 8.
4 and
4 and 8.
4 and 8. So
Sir,
correct answer
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
2.
Very easy. You can cross out
Oh,
the
no.
8 and 8. They are same. One number on the top, one number below. You can cross out the numerator and denominator. And here 9 and 9. So nothing is left. Here only we can say 8 divided by 8 is 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So here when you cross again 4 is 4 divided by 8. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is also 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. So you can do question 40 as homework.
My next question is like this.
Same like this. What you have to do, children? This is a homework for you. 3 by 4 into 7 by 4 times 13 by 3. 3 by 13. Which all common factors are there? You can cross out. Find out the answer.
Ma'am,
3. Here is there 3. Here 13.
3,
Here
13,
13.
13. So,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
51
there
by
is no. So, 6.
So 7 is remaining, 3 is remaining. 7 into 3. Write down the answer. Here 4 is remaining, 4 is remaining. It's not possible to cut this 4 and 4. Okay. They are below.
21 by
Cannot-
8.
So what's the answer?
21 by 8.
Huh?
21 by 16.
16. 4 plus 4. No, it's 4 into 4. 21 by 16. Yes, children, you can complete that. Okay. Write the numbers. Cross out. Then finally what is remaining, you can multiply together. Write the answer. So I will send the notes. Those who have not completed, complete. Okay, so those children who are not completed last class, that notes, the question number 19 and 20 we will do in the next class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.